I feel like it's gonna. All right, so basically we're in a long play here on Tesla. We took it long after we got this red bar ignored, and our stop loss was the EMA cloud. And we were basically just talking about, you know, when you trade with the trend, you're trading with the momentum of the market, right? So this is why these EMA clouds and stuff are so important to me, because you get to follow the overall direction, right? We got in long right here. Right now we are drawdown on this trade. Nope, we're in profit. So we're trading 0-day options and we're right at break even. The max I risked on this trade was 28%, and that was this pullback here. All right, so we didn't break any rules. We weren't extremely vulnerable. We didn't put ourselves in any bad shoes, right? We just identified our opportunity and act, and now we're trying to follow this EMA cloud possibly up to previous day high. And this is why too, why I use the 1 hour, and I get really aware of what the 1 hour trend's telling me, because you could gauge it, right? And you could use it for your benefit. At this point, I'm looking for buyers to hold the EMA cloud, and then I'll stay in this trade. If we fall below our like close below the EMA cloud, our open print, I'll get out of this trade, right? So it's pretty much completely up to the market at this point. I want to see us close back above the 9 double exponential, and we'll take it to the upside. What up? What up, Bookman? What's good, brother? Hopefully you're having a good day, my boy Bookman. New member, doing extremely well, learning a lot. What time is it? 11:30. I gotta head out in like, let me see here. I got like 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, look at that off open print on SPY. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Open print. Boom. Yep, there it goes. Here comes the boom. Tesla calls, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's been a struggling morning. Tesla had a great setup right here, but I just hesitated on it. I wasn't able to get in on it. I just didn't like the fact I had no moving average cross. So I ended up taking this long right here on this candle. And now we're going to see if this EMA cloud can push. This right here, this price action, was definitely, in my opinion, a pretty strong liquidity grab, right? Like this got a lot of sellers to step up into the market. Let's see if they could get pushed out of the market right here. If we could close back above this 9 on Tesla, this is going to be a really good trade up to previous day high. Closed above it. There we go. And once again, we have no issues cutting out of this trade. We have no issues surrendering the position. If this turns on me and closes outside that EMA cloud, I am out of this trade. Straight up. Don't care. I don't care if it's a Friday. I don't care if I'm, red on the day, right? It's my first trade of the day, right? But I just want everyone to know we have no issues cutting losing trades, right? Like if that thing's going against us, we cut that shit immediately. But we cut it at the correct spot, right? It takes some time to get confident with, your exiting abilities. But, that's why we practice so much, right? All you got to use is the EMA cloud. Use the EMA cloud. And that's why the tool is so effective. And a very nice push here. So these are the levels I'm watching on Tesla. We're going to go here. Bam. That'll be my first take profit. I got 5 Tesla contracts. I'll trim up there. And then I'll leave some runners and see if we can get previous day high. Is anyone aware of Trump or anyone speaking today? If so, just drop it in the chat. Today is going to be an amazing day. I picked my daughter up from school around 3:30. I'm going to bring my girl some lunch. You know, there's some perks about being a day trader. You know, you get to bring your girl lunch. You get to pick your kid up. You get to, there we go. Let's get that push. I'm watching the moving averages, okay? I'm watching the candles. I'm not even watching P&L. I'm not even watching P&L. I don't need any external variables, right? All I need to do is watch my trade. Very nice push. Let's see if we can get up to that trimming area. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Is anyone else in this Tesla trade? Let me know. Let me know if anyone else is in this. Very nice push. Just let it unravel. Let it unravel. Yes, we just had drawdown, but the market doesn't know that, okay? And just let the trade do its thing, okay? The market doesn't know you just made your money back, right? The market's moving because it moves this way, not because you're in a trade or not in a trade. So just allow it to move. Look at that push. Let's go. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beauty-ish. Look at that. Push. Push. Very nice push right here, guys. Yo! Alright, that be a trim. Hold on. Hold up. Look at that push. Alright. Taking a slight trim. Let's let the rest do its thing. Great job, guys. If you held through that, you did a great job. It definitely was challenging, but we traded it extremely well, okay? We did really good. We traded 5 contracts. I just trimmed 3, okay? So I'm letting 2 go. I'm letting 2 go. I like SPY. I like how SPY looks. So now I'm trying to let that play out there. SPY's price action looks terrible. Very thankful I didn't trade SPY today. And we got to make sure our expectations are correct, right? Like this might take a while. This might take all day. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm watching the moving averages. I'm letting it just do its thing, okay? I'm not, going full retard and, oh my God, it's going to reverse. Nope, we literally just watch it, right? Thanks, Oasis. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was I'm not going to lie. This one was challenging. This one was definitely challenging. But we stuck to the rule, not emotion, right? We said, hey, where's the, what's, anytime you're making a decision, it's got to be backed by something important, right? It can't just be, I just want the money, or it looks good, or no, it's breaking one of my rules or principles, therefore I got to get out. I don't know, guys. SPY's turning up. Tesla's trying to turn up. We in the money on Tesla calls on a Friday? Uh-oh. 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 In the money? Tesla on a Friday? Look at SPY. Look how good SPY looks right now. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm going to put my other contracts probably at like a break even. Maybe a little below. And then we'll call it a day. Yeah, we break this high right here, high a day. She going finito. Watching the moving average, right? Not watching profit, watching the candle, watching the moving average. I want to stay objective. I don't care about the money. I only care about the process. That's it. The process makes the money. It's not the other way around. Now I'm in a stress-free trade. That's how I like to look at it. Stress-free. You know, I'm not going to lose money on this. It is what it is. Might take some time. My stops are in. So now I just let the market do its thing. It might be time to go to the gym, honestly. It's going to need the liquidity to go up. You know, it's going to pull back. It's going to retrace. It doesn't matter. That's why we take profits on fast moves, guys, right? We got that fast move up into the high, and I trimmed. Because anytime you get a fast move up, you're going to get the fast move down. It's just how the game works. But we know that. We're aware of that. So we use that information to make decisions. Not emotion. Look at SPY. Come on, SPY. Come on, SPY. Todd, I know you in that. I know you in that. My boy's the future trader from Louisiana. Fucking animal. Yo, look at Tessie. Where's my pop? Where's my pop? SPY's cooking. Look at that. Come on, guys. We don't watch profit. We watch charts, not profit. We watch charts, not profit. That's it, guys. Just rinse, repeat. Look at that push. Look at that push. My bad. Now I'm excited now. I got it in the money 0 days on Tesla. I'm not going to go full retard. We're going to let her work, though. Now, previous day high just makes sense. Alright, we need this low level here to hold. See if she holds. Once again, just watching the moving averages. That's it. Thanks, Oasis. I appreciate you, brother. My goal is to really always try to lead from the front. You know, like it's day trading is tricky, man. This shit's tricky. You know, in the purpose of HPT is to, you know, create an environment where we make decisions based off execution, right? Never emotion, only execution. You know, and if we can all do that, we'll all kill it. Like, that's the goal here. Like, I want new traders to come to HPT and make, like, consistent money, dude. Like, I've never joined any other Discord, so I can't speak on that. But I'm running it how I would want it to be ran. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate all your guys' support and love. You guys, you know, you guys are the reason why I get up in the morning and try to become, like, our slogan at HPT is absolute best version of self, right? Like, that's not just on the charts, like everywhere, right? It's our job to become the absolute best version of ourselves in every single area. Let's see what's going on with sellers here. This high a day is being a little problem. I like that we closed above it, but I don't like how we kind of are reversing right here. But what do I watch? The moving average, the candlesticks, okay? That's what I watch. I don't go, oh my God, red candle, full retard. No. We go, okay, how's that candle, you know, working? I'll probably put my stop on this right here, which is well above, what is it? That's well above, what am I? Break even. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. The 1 hour looks so damn good. Those sellers are coming in. Yeah, I'm going to go with a 28632 stop on my last remaining two cons. Sometimes you got to risk it, you know? Sometimes you got to be willing to risk the profit you made. You know, if you want different results, you got to do different things, right? Look at SPY. We're not afraid of red candles, right? Are we afraid of red candles, Todd? Hell no. Right? We follow trend. We watch the trend. Always. SPY's holding up here a little better than Tesla. Tesla breaks that high, she's going to rip. But she got to break it. Pull down, pull down. And then back up. What's my 2 minute? What's my 2 minute telling me? Is it telling me to get out? I got a 28621 stop. And I'm really kind of opening this up because the 1 hour just looks so damn good. In SPY, we might be getting an RBI, so I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna watch that. Extend this zone out here. Yeah, we about to get a 5 minute ribby on SPY coming up here. Uh-oh. Is that the add-in? Is that the add-in? That might be the add-in. I don't know. Tesla rejected that zone, but let me see what the inverted Tesla chart looks like. I'm curious. Sometimes when I'm not seeing things clearly, I'll whip out the inverted. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to get too... so be it. Just gonna leave it. Leave it. Let's see what happens. Unfortunately, guys, if you're in the Tesla trade, I'd take your profit. I'm gonna let mine hang to the EMA cloud. I don't recommend that, but I'm up on the week pretty good. And I'm willing to see if this can continue, right? But if you guys are in this Tesla trade, it wouldn't hurt to, don't risk it, right? It's 0 day. Don't risk it, if you can't afford it, don't risk it. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to let it go only because the 1 hour looks so good. I'm going to give it to the EMA cloud. I see cow hopping in along on SPY. That must mean there's a ribby. Tesla's trying to shift here. EMA cloud's my stop on Tesla. And guys, what you'll notice right now on Tesla is we're actually retesting the RBI that we got into the market with, right? You guys see my zone? My zone, that's the RBI that caused us to get in the trade. So that's where I need buyers to hold. Just playing trends, guys. That's it. That's what we do. We play trends, not emotions. It's funny when you've been trading for such a long time, like holding setups and stuff, this shit just starts to get a little easier. Like a lot of people are like, oh, I can't hold trades. I'm like, you just need to trade more. The more practice you get in, the better it's gonna be for you. Is SPY pushing? Of course SPY's pushing. Look at that. Look at my boys getting paid. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Great execution. Let's see if it can hold. I need Tesla to show some strength here. SPY with the push. Tesla about to stop me out. Whoa, getting a lot of volume here on Tesla. Yeah, and nope, I'm not out of it yet. I'm not out of it yet. EMA cloud's my stop, guys. EMA cloud's my stop. Strong selling. Yo, look at SPY go. Look at SPY go. Look at it go. Great play. Great play, Cal. Great play, Todd. Phenomenal. You guys playing trends. I love it. I love it. We got to break these highs here. We got this high here on SPY. We need Tesla to hold it. Oh, look at it hold the ribby. Look at it. Look at it hold it. We're getting a lot of volume here. I like that. A lot of volume. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Yo! 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 My bad, guys. I'm screaming. Yo! Yo! Who's in this? Yo! That's crazy! You fucking sick animals! Uh-oh. Trump's talking. Trump's talking. Be ready. Be ready. Someone's talking. I got this too. We're live right now. Let's see what happens. Yo! Come on. Push. You sick animals. You animals. Look at that. Always trust the strat. Always trust the strat. Tesla got to push. Not like SPY though. Look at that. That is beautiful, guys. Wow. That's why I love this game, man. That's why I love this game. Let's go. Stops are in. Let her roll. Let her roll. Yo, my contracts are, the premiums are through the fucking roof right now. That volume's adding a lot onto the premiums. Yo. Yo. Let's get paid. Let's get paid. Let's get paid. Let her go, guys. Let her go. Come on, Tesla. Break that shit. Break that shit. Let's go. So proud of you guys. Trusted the strategy. Look at that move. You guys are killing it. Look at that. Let's get paid. I'm gonna take one off the. I'm gonna trim. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go full retard and let this one just go. It's stress-free trade. That buying right there, we gotta let continue. Let it go. Do something different today, guys. Let her go. Look at that. Come on, Tesla. Break that shit. Look at that move on SPY. You sick animals. You sick bastards. You sick bastards. What news came out? Let me see. Trump's team gripes over China. Some China shit. Don't matter. You sick bastards. Y'all just made house money on that trade. Tesla is still working though. I'm good. I'm currently up 40% on this trade. I'm up. I'm in the money on Tesla cons. I'm good. I want to see previous day high here. I'm gonna get it too. I'm getting it. Let's go. Always trust your strategy. Yeah, I know, Oasis. I probably more. That probably would have shot 100% premium. Spikes like that on SPX, that would have paid so much damn money. But it's okay. That's okay. I decided to trade Tesla today, so it is what it is, right? Yo, SPY is cooking. Tesla's being a bitch. You gotta just laugh at it, dude. You know, you can't take the shit too serious. All you can do is laugh. Just laugh. You know what I mean? Just, oh my god, look at SPY go. Oh my god. Y'all better be holding that for me. Got a pocket on that. I don't. I mean, if it, you know, y'all know what to do. Follow your rules. But yo, look at SPY. Oh my god, Elon, pump. What's Elon doing right now? What is Elon doing? He's probably like brokering a deal with China, like on the low. Look at SPY, bro. That's beautiful. Yeah, Tesla's being retarded. That's okay. I like seeing my boys get paid. You guys are doing great. Phenomenal move. I'm so proud of you guys. You trusted the strategy. You executed appropriately, and it paid off, right? You know, it is what it is. You got and once again, like I was saying earlier, it really doesn't matter